with easy-to-swap accessories and tool-free installation. The AeroPro Arbor Kit helps users stay focused on the job instead of adjusting equipment. It comes with 3 extra sweatbands, the AeroPro helmet of your choice, a pair of earmuffs, and a mesh face shield. The face shield comes in 2 parts. To put them together, insert the circular notch into the circular slot and press down until it clicks into place. On one side, align the notches with the slots horizontally. Push inward to ensure the notches are fully inserted. Slide the notches vertically to lock the face shield in place. Repeat the same process on the other side. Locate the bars on the face shield. This is where the earmuffs attach. Each earmuff has a slot with 3 stopping points. Make sure that the attachment side is facing downward and slide the face shield bars through the slot on the earmuff. Slide them all the way in. Do the same with the other earmuff. It does not matter which earmuff goes on which side. They are the same exact thing. Locate the slots where the earmuffs go on the sides of the helmet. Align the front of the helmet with the face shield assembly. Insert the earmuffs into the helmet slots and press down until they are securely in place. Improper removal of earmuffs may result in damage or reduced product lifespan. Bring the earmuffs down, and your AeroPro Arbor Kit is now fully assembled and ready to use.